Hey friends, in this video I'm sharing a really easy recipe for pickles. These are refrigerated pickles and I'll show you 3 different recipe variations. It's a really simple pickling solution and the pickles don't take long to marinate at all. You can enjoy these deliciously tart pickles in an hour's time. For the ingredients have white vinegar, water, sugar, and a medium carrot. And then depending on the vegetable that you like, have white radish, also called Daikon radish, Chayote, or green papaya. The first recipe is for the traditional carrot and radish pickles. Start by removing the skin from the carrot. Also remove the skin of the white radish using a vegetable peeler. This is a pretty sizable Daikon radish and I'll only be using a small portion of it to make the pickles. Rinse the vegetables with cold water. Pat dry using paper towels. Cut the carrot into sections about 2.5 to 3 inches long. Cut a section of radish about the same length as the carrots. Select the medium shredding blade and attach it to the mandolin. Carefully shred the radish. Toss with your fingers and separate the shreds. Shred the carrots into the same bowl. Combine the vegetables together. In a cup or bowl, add 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, and 1/4 cup sugar. Feel free to adjust the sugar to your taste. Stir together, dissolving the sugar. Fill 2 1-pint jars with the carrot and radish mixture. Add 4 to 5 ounces of vegetables per jar, making sure not to pack it too tightly. Pour the pickling liquid into the jars. Use a spoon to press down on the vegetables and immerse them in the liquid. Now cover the jars with lids. I use 2 lids, a canning lid and then a plastic lid on top. The radish can become pungent when pickled, and so this double lid technique prevents the aroma from permeating your entire refrigerator. Refrigerate at least 1 hour before enjoying. A few hours or even overnight definitely improves the flavor. The next pickles variation is carrot and chayote. Using a vegetable peeler, remove the skin from the chayote. Dry the chayote well after washing. It can become a little bit slippery when wet. Cut it in half lengthwise. Shred the chayote using the mandolin. Shred to the core and then stop. You don't want to shred through the core. It's fibrous and can be a bit bitter. Rotate the vegetable and then continue shredding. So shred the vegetable working around the core. Now shred the carrots, adding it into the same bowl. For these pickles, I'm just going to make 1 jar, so I'm going to use half the recipe for the pickling solution. Transfer the vegetables into the jar, pour in the pickling solution, dunk in the liquid, cover, and refrigerate. The third recipe is for carrot and green papaya pickles. Use a vegetable peeler to remove the dark green skin. Cut off the ends. Cut in half lengthwise. Use a spoon to scrape the core and remove the seeds. Cut the papaya into smaller sections. Trim off any remaining core membrane or fibers. This is usually too bitter to eat. Shred the green papaya. Soak the shredded papaya in cold water for 15 minutes. This helps to remove the sap and gives it a lighter and crunchier texture. Drain the water and then use a salad spinner to dry the vegetables. In a small bowl, combine the shredded green papaya with the shredded carrots. The remaining steps are as I explained earlier. There we have it, friends. 1 simple pickles recipe, 3 different ways. Here's the first batch. These are the carrot and radish pickles, and I let these marinate overnight. They are deliciously tart and crunchy. Batch number 2 is the carrot and chayote pickles. The chayote is a softer vegetable, but still very crunchy and refreshing. Batch number 3 is carrot and green papaya pickles. The green papaya is super crunchy. It also has a very mild taste and aroma. Store the pickles in the fridge for up to 1 month. These awesome pickles are staple condiments and wonderful in dipping sauces, sandwiches, rice plates, and noodle bowls. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.